My name is Mindy from moreTimeToWrite.com, and this is a brief tutorial on the Mac Mountain Lion operating system's new feature Duplicate, as well as how to restore Save As to your file menu and what the differences are between Duplicate and Save As. I've got a text edit document open here called A Writer's Guide to Mountain Lion, and I've also got the folder where that document is saved. You'll see that A Writer's Guide to Mountain Lion is here in the Post Drafts folder. Now sometimes when I'm working in a file, especially a piece of writing, I may wish to save a copy of that document and work through an idea, but then I've got the original saved in case I decide I don't like the direction that I took that bit of writing and I want to go back to my original. Usually what I would do would be to go to File, Save As, and then save another copy of that document. But you'll see if we go to File here, Save As is missing. Where Save As used to be, we now have something called Duplicate. So let's take a look at what that does. If I hit Duplicate, it will open another document here, and it's a copy of my original document, and it will first of all give me the opportunity to change my file name. So it's called it A Writer's Guide to Mountain Lion copy, but I'm going to change that to A Writer's Guide to Mountain Lion 2. Now when I hit return, you will see that over in my Post Drafts folder, it has saved that document copy, A Writer's Guide to Mountain Lion 2, in the same folder. Now, if I continue to type in this file, you will see that the original A Writer's Guide to Mountain Lion is unaffected. Now, if I go to Duplicate and it pops open a copy and I don't make any changes to that file name, it's appended the word copy to that document, but when I choose to not change the file name, you'll see that it calls it untitled, and you'll see that it does not save that copy in the Post Drafts folder. Now as I'm moving forward and typing in this document, I'm typing in an unsaved document, and if I go to close that document, then it will pop open the save dialog box here, and it will ask me if I want to keep that copy. If I hit delete copy, that document is gone and I can't get it back. However, now if I accept that as my file name, save as A Writer's Guide to Mountain Lion copy, and hit save, it will put that copy into the Post Drafts folder. The difference though between the original Duplicate where I changed the name, when I changed that name I didn't have the opportunity to change the file location, but if I do an unnamed folder, an untitled folder, and then when I go to close it, it does give me the opportunity here to change where I'm saving that file. So in that way, it's similar to Save As, but it's in a slightly different workflow. I'm not as crazy about that. I prefer when I'm making my document copy to choose the file location at that time, like the old-fashioned Save As. I'm just kind of used to it, you know. I am going to close that. Okay, so now I'm back in my original A Writer's Guide to Mountain Lion, and if I want to get Save As back, I will go to File, and then I will hold down the Option key, and you'll see that when I press that Option key, it changes Duplicate to Save As. You'll notice it also changes Close to Close All. It would give me the option to close all of my windows. So if I keep holding down that Option key and I click on Save As, now I have the opportunity to call this A Writer's Guide to Mountain Lion 3, and I'm going to save it in a different location. I will save it in my root More Time to Write folder. And hit save. And so now you'll see in my folder it is popped up here in a different location. Now another difference between Duplicate versus Save As is Duplicate keeps your original document open and it opens your new document in a separate window. You'll see with Save As, it has not opened up my new document in a separate window. I only have one window open, and now that is my new A Writer's Guide to Mountain Lion 3. And if I wanted to open the original A Writer's Guide to Mountain Lion, I would have to go back in the Finder window and find that from my folder. Those are a little bit of the differences between duplicate and save as. For more tech tips, as well as virtual assistant services for writers, bloggers, and podcasters, go to moretimetoWrite.com.